Hi, my name is Kocher and I've been in charge of setting up our classrooms for remote delivery and face-to-face. We call it our hybrid classroom setup. And it involves a lot of technology. We've got screens at the back of the room here where the teacher can see the remote students very clearly. We've got a microphone on the teacher and a microphone in the classroom to hear the face-to-face students. And it's all designed to create a really good learning experience, whether you're here in the classroom or whether you're at home remote. You'll be able to see everything and hear everything, and we think it's going to be great. So if you are a little bit worried about the whole COVID situation, be rest assured that we're going to have a great experience in the classroom at PSC. We have a lot of protocols in place. We have hand sanitizer, a temperature check, and you will need to check into the building. Everyone who comes into the building goes through that process. We've got social distancing in place and all the classrooms are set up that you're not sitting too closely. So we've done a lot of work to make it COVID safe.